Welcome to this comprehensive guide on SAP Workflow, a powerful tool to automate business processes in SAP. Whether you're new to SAP or an experienced consultant, this video will walk you through everything you need to know about SAP Workflow. Let's quickly go over the main features of SAP Workflow. Business Object Repository, BOR, contains business objects like purchase orders. Workflow templates. Created in Workflow Builder for process automation. Let's get started with the training. Step 1. Modeling a workflow. Step 2. Assigning a triggering event. Step 3. Defining steps/tasks. Here's where this product can make a real difference. These use cases highlight SAP Workflow's versatility in streamlining business processes. Ready to automate like a pro? Start with the basics, and you'll be automating like a pro in no time.